I ain't the lady to mess with. I'ma go with my bad stuff, do my bad stuff.
Hey y'all, today I'll be showing you guys how to do a smoky golden eye look. This is my first time talking, so I hope you guys enjoy it. First, we're gonna start off with the primer. We're just gonna rub that in all over the face, including the eyes. Rubbing and rubbing and rubbing, scrubbing. And now we're gonna use a eye primer for the James Charles Morphe palette. And we're just gonna blend that in like so. Blending and blending and blending. You know, just blend that in, make sure it gets all over the eyelid so you can have a tacky base for your eye space. There it is. And now we're just gonna blend that out, make sure there's no lines, and that is the look. We're just gonna use the James Charles Morphe palette. Go in with the color Code James in the James Charles Morphe palette, and I'm gonna put that right above the crease for a transition shade. See? Right there. Just right there. I'm gonna go in with the color No Beans right in the inner crease of the eye. And now I'm gonna go in with the shade Benny right in the upper outer crease. And you're just gonna work that in to blend the other two colors. Now I'm gonna go in with the shade Spooky to deepen and darken our look and to kind of give it that exaggerated smoky eye. Now I'm gonna go in with the shade Rusted right on the center of the lid. Now I'm gonna add the shade No Beans to blend the shade Benny and Rusted. That is the semi-finished product, but you know, we're thirsty, so we're thirsty. We're just gonna drink up, because this eye look was very tiring. But I love you guys, so we're gonna keep on doing it. Time for the face. Yes, ma'am. I think it's time for the face. Let's just go right into it. Now I'm gonna take the bronze BB cream in the shade 20 medium deep bronze. And now I'm just blending that all over my face, including my lips, chin, and nose. Now I'll be taking the LA Girl Pro Concealer and just applying that to all my highlight areas, including the under eyes, nose, chin, and forehead. Make sure you give it a little shimmy to work it in. Right now I'm just contouring to give my face a little bit more definition and curvation. And I'm just going to be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Contour Cream palette in the shade Espresso. I'm going to be contouring my cheekbones, jawline, chin, and forehead. And just blending that out to blend it into the rest of my face. Now I'm just using the Airspun setting powder to set everything that I did not contour, including my chin, nose, under eyes, and T-zone. Right now I'm just bronzing the face to make sure my face is still carved out, and so the setting powder doesn't take over the whole look. I know the bronzer is very red, and I know it doesn't match, but we're just gonna blend it in, work it through, you know, to give her a little, you know, pizzazz. Now I'm adding setting powder under my cheekbone, under that contour to make sure the contour really does stand out, so my face is a little bit more chiseled and slimmer, or bigger, however you want it to look. And yeah, let's just forget about that. We're just gonna blend that in. We're just gonna, just blend that in. Okay, so I know some of you guys, actually a lot of you guys, have been asking me to do my eyebrows. I have no idea how to do that, so we're just gonna leave them alone. And right there, I just added a pair of lashes that I found at my local HEB. They work so well. Thank you. And they were $1.99. Adding a little bit of glam and pizzazz in my inner corner. And now you already know what time it is. There's that look. There's that look. Time for highlight. You already know. Right there, right there, right there. Yes, ma'am. Fancy beauty, baby. Trophy wife. Yes, ma'am. Yes, yes, ma'am. That's how we're gonna do it. Oh, yes, yes, yes. Look at that glow. Oh my gosh. Yes, ma'am. Do you even glow, bro? Do you even glow? Thank you for watching this video, everyone. I hope you guys enjoy. Remember to follow me on my Instagram at @thereal_perfectlyimperfect. Bye, guys.
I ain't the lady to mess with. Y'all gon' pay the price too. Stop it with your anorexic pocket.